we go. Like that. Let's go. Now we're gonna might get your foot by. There we go. We'll take it. Yeah, you don't really want to be on that at all. We'll take it. Go, go, go. There we go. Nice job, Gary. Great. Speed up and move behind us so we're okay. There we go. All the track, all the track, all the track. There we go. Following it all the way out. Nice job. And great. There we go. Still got plenty of room. Looks like it stopped spitting rain, so I don't expect the conditions to get any worse in the meantime. Alright, just brake and turn. Just brake and turn. Throttle out, throttle out. There we go. Nicely done. All the track, all the track. There we go. Nice and smooth. Getting all the way back over. As we come around this back. That's all right. Good job. Turning in. We're going to try and get a run on them. Hopefully get a point by and throttle out, throttle out, throttle, 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 throttle. 100%, 100%. He's not giving it. That's all right. Stay in his mirrors. We're going to follow him through this turn, using our line. There's that. That was just a little early, yeah. A little early, that's alright though. Following our line, not theirs. Coming out. Out. There we go. Turn. There we go. Throttle. All the track, all the track. Nice job. Change it. Brake it up to brake. There we go. Alright, shift. There we go. Nice and point. And anticipate a point by on his left. Try and set up for it. There we go. Take it. There we go. Nice and done. Now compensate without being offline. There we go. Alright. And throttle. 100%. And shift all the way out. There we go. Nice job, dude. That was real good. That's alright. Alright, so hopefully we get this point by. We're going to focus on driving the right line out of here. Alright, so track all the way out. Now look at the horizon. Straight line that way. So we're eliminating all of that extra space you were using. That's a couple of miles an hour you were probably pushing away before. That's where some of my speed came from. Not using unnecessary distance. Alright, we're going to anticipate a point by from this guy. Throttle. And no point by. That's alright. Oh, he is hitting in. Alright, so we can pass him. Make sure you leave him on your right side. And we are good. Nicely done. Feel all those marbles offline, right? Yeah. Awesome job, dude. Good job managing traffic. There we go. There's fucking 220.5. How you feeling?
I'm great.
Awesome. Alright. We need to lift off there easy when we're coming around turn 2, okay? We'll focus on that next time around. Alright. 1.5. 8. There we go. Nicely done. Okay.
DBS.
Okay. That happens. Brake and turn. Alright. Throttle. All the way. 100%. All the way out. Nicely done. Hell yeah. Alright. Now we're going to practice following the horizon. Looking into the horizon as we come around here. Alright, Turn, there we go. Out, we don't need the curve, so we're just going to the horizon. There we go. Alright, nice and smooth when you're looking off the throttle. Stand the throttle, stand the throttle, stand the throttle. Good smoothly. There we go. That's great. Turn. Throttle, throttle. Good job. Yeah. Yeah, tire pressures are getting hot. Awesome session, dude. Fucking rolling. Got a 221, a 220. I think got a 222 earlier in the session.
Yeah, I'm double pushing her. Now I don't have any fear like I did earlier with the boost regulation and the temperature.
That was a fucking awesome session, dude.
That was amazing. That means we knocked off 6 seconds.
Yeah, dude. I mean, we dropped off like 10 seconds off of your original best for the weekend, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. So like I said, dude, you can do a 220. There's a 215 in the car.
100%. I really appreciate your guidance, Tony. That's insane.
Yeah, dude. Awesome job, dude.
Thank you, thank you.
That's 100% you, though.
No, you're definitely part of it.